Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to mount and use an ISO file. The only thing you need for this is a Windows computer, your basic operating system. So now we're going to go to my portable drive here because I know I have some ISO files on here, and we're going to go to game install files and installed. And then for the example, for the purpose of this video, we're just going to use I guess Halo Combat Evolved's file. So this is just a disk image file. So now all you want to do is right click on that, and if you have Windows 11 it'll just say mount. If you have Windows 10 it should say the same thing with a slightly different user interface. So you just want to press mount, and that's pretty much it. If you go to the left here where you, oh there you go, we got a security warning on this one. So open file, always check this. You don't want to get an ISO file with a virus on it. I've already checked this file here. I've used it on my old computer. So we're just going to go and open this, and now it shows up as a DVD drive and the E drive. So here we have it. This is our file, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Now you can run your setup, and when you go to unmount it, you just want to right click on that, on the file path, and then press eject. Now if you want to do it from this PC, you would just go to this PC and press eject, same thing. And that's it. That's how you use an ISO file or a disk image file.